guys, we've got to the town where we're meeting Matt's Bass Fishing. We are about to head out there and chase some bass in a minute. So we're just about to go to Macca's and meet Matt. Then we're going to head out and chase some bass. So let's head out there and see if we can get one. Guys, we're at the location. We're going to start flicking for bass with, surprisingly enough, Matt's Bass Fishing. and this guy's been tagging along the whole trip. I couldn't get rid of him. Anyway, yeah. We'll hop in this water somewhere. It's a little known river, and a little known river, and that's all you're going to know about it. We're going to go and catch some bass out of it. See how we go. That was something off the bat. Cattle graveyard. Oh, mate, this smell is probably. I grew up on a farm around a lot of dead things, and this is about as bad as it gets. How sad is that, though? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 13. One back there, that's at least 14. A few older ones. Getting close to 16 dead cattle. There's just not enough water, not enough feed. Sad. This is a shocking shot.
Yes! I told you, mate. You almost got it. Get it back out there, mate. We want to see you with a batch.
First confirmed snake of the day over there.
See the top pool?
Oh yeah, up there. Yeah.
We'll pull one out of here.
That's your spot, is it?
I love that spot.
Alright, well, we'll leave that one for you.
There's a fish that I've missed in there.
Ah, well, we cannot be taking that off you.
It's really, really deep. See how straight up there's that log that comes out?
Yep.
Now that'd be a good spot to cast, but I just know it's bloody deep and we sort of have to go up the side.
Yep.
But if we can somehow chop down in front of it, I reckon we might have a better chance.
She's hot. She's hot. And we're bush bashing through some tight stuff apparently. Have a hit?
I think that might have been a fly. Quite far through. I've had him go on my surface for a week.
He's not worried about you too much. He's the king of that log, eh? This is me. I'm getting one here.
You want to get one in there?
Yeah. This cast, I reckon. Yeah, and that's no pressure or anything. Oh, that's the cast for sure. No, it's not. It's not deep enough there. Hey, go down there quietly and run your thing along that outside of that log.
Oh!
You right?
That was that closey.
You almost had a piercing, mate.
Yeah, man.
Face piercing. Could be more in the zone.
Just out of nowhere, eh? This little cut in the...
Yeah. It's like there used to be a creek here, but they shut off. If this was a video game, it'd be another layer in there.
That's for sure. Oh, man.
Secret level. I'm filming the manoeuvre. He failed.
Failed miserably.
He bailed and failed.
Failed and failed.
He could have.
I should have.
Yeah, that was all luck, no skill.
It would have been a good mark.
That's right, you could have just done that though. Like you could just walk across it.
Oh, it is a bit shallow up there, I didn't see it.
No, well, no, the log's like this far under the water if you look for it.
Yeah, up in there, it's pretty dead nice.
Yep.
Yes, beautiful. Nice, mate. Bring him out. Bring him out. Beautiful. Look at that.
Got him.
Mate, absolute stonker. That's an easy 40. Look at that, bro.
Done it.
Swallowed it.
Bloody love the JD Eddie. Hey?
Beautiful bass.
Boom. That is fantastic. Thank you. Thank you very much, kind sir.
There's your fish.
I'll get a photo
Look
of
at the
him.
gulp on him, man. He's absolutely...
He's nuts. Yes. Yes,
Nice.
legend. Thank you. Whew.
That's what we wanted.
Skinny water bass. Well guys, one on the board. That's what we came for. Thanks to that man over there. What a legend. I'm gonna step back now. I'll still have a flick occasionally, but I'm gonna have a step back and let these guys have a go. Let's all get on the board. Well, the snake, second snake sighting. Right, we're gonna go down and get Tronky his bass, and then I'm gonna attempt the Tackle Club challenge. So I've got the Lunker City I'm gonna put on now, then I'm gonna nail one on the airbag frog, then on the mega bass. That's what's gonna happen.
When you go down there, slide down the bank onto that one there, and then you want to step on the pom-pom onto that log.
Alright.
And that log goes up, follow it up to the point, and cast down the middle, or cast over there.
Alrighty.
Alright? Guarantee your fish.
Guaranteed.
Guarantee your fish within 5 casts.
Recording it.
Yep, done. You'll probably have this straight away.
Guarantee a fishing 5 cast or money back.
I'll make sure I catch more fish on the 6 cast.
On the 6 casts, we get our money back.
See, man, as soon as that thing drops, I reckon one within 3 really. But I've said 5 just in case.
Just to cover yourself. Oh, you need 5 because of his casting skills.
Snag? What the hell? I was expecting that to get nailed, bro.
Me too. After all your
What's
hype.
happening here? Oh no. Oh no. Oh. Oh no. 2 snag.
What are you two doing? You reckon it's whole or what?
Oh, I have.
Yeah.
Oh.
Why are you both down?
Man, we both got free. That's saying something, isn't it?
Where are you casting?
Over there.
Oh, you're...
Snagged? Are you on? You on?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah.
Little.
Just a little leak.
Very nice. Very nice.
Ah. He's engulfed that. Look at that.
Smashed it. Bloody nice. That's where you want to get down, man.
Good condition on the little guy.
He's healthy, isn't he? Righto, where are you going, mate?
Now I'd bring it down there, in the middle, up there, and bring it right into the centre, down into there.
First ever bass. Oh yeah. Yeah, nice wind, slow wind through the middle.
The bottom.
I reckon if something hits him, it's going to hit him around here. Oh, that was a hit. That was a hit.
Keep going. Oh, that was another hit, wasn't it? Right, I'd say. Oh. Oh, I'm just going to wait for a second, see if you can hook one.
There's a break one out.
Huge range, haven't they? Oh, yes.
That's
Yeah. Yeah, nice.
That body shaking, eh?
Yeah, they're very harsh. Yeah, we'll see if they're hitting anything else, I guess. Try and get it into that log trunky, where like the log you're aiming at, but on the right hand side, like in the undercut there.
Did you guys see that move just then? Ah, shit. Sorry, guys.
Oh, it's all good. I was just trying to get my move up.
Yep.
Yes!
Oh, taking the plastic.
Beautiful. I knew there'd be one in there.
Where the hell are you? How many times did you?
Yep.
Yes!
Oh, get him in, man.
It's time.
Don't pull him out of the water.
You know. Get it. There you go, bro.
Yes, he's got his
Doubles.
first bass. Doubles.
You just got a double.
Double hookup.
Should we try and make it a triple?
Yeah, go for it. On the lunker log. Look at on the lunker thing.
Oh.
Look.
All good, brother.
Alright,
Congratulations,
that's
man,
it.
on your first bass, man.
We knew we'd get you one.
I was getting cranky. I was like,
and when I hooked one. Alright, that's number 1 for the Tackle Club Challenge. With the jig heads that came with it.
On to surface for you, mate.
I really should go on the surface, shouldn't I?
Yeah, we've got a few holes down here that we might actually get one off the top. So
Hey Kingsley, give me slow-mo and I'll slow-mo you.
Oh, yep.
Oh, really? Yes!
Oh, that looks good.
There we go.
Brick me.
Bricked ya. Bricked him. No, got him. Got him. That's so close to a triple. And it's a bit bigger. He's a bit healthier.
Yeah, he's a bit healthier.
Bit fatter, eh?
What do you mean? He's a bit
Look
bigger.
at that. That's so close to a triple.
That's a big bass. That's a good bass.
Very
Oh,
nice.
lip mine.
You.
Oh, I didn't even think of that.
Very nice.
Hey man, you want to take a picture for me, brother?
Ready, mate?
Yeah,
Oh,
look
no,
at
man. Fucking
that. We'll pull one out of here, boys.
within
Boom.
a couple of minutes.
Ooh, almost dropped the phone in.
Bass got one.
Yeah.
I tell you what, it would be going off.
Ooh, I just had a flash then. Did you see that?
Yeah, probably.
Right underneath me. Bastard. See, there's a heap in here, isn't there?
Oh, no.
So Lunka City is off the... Ooh.
Oh, did you see that?
No!
Came right over the log tip.
That's bloody awesome.
Woo.
How many are out there?
Look at the girth on it.
That's not the big one either.
No.
Look at that.
This
That
guy's
girth.
just overtaken me in fish in like 2 seconds.
Well, that's the third for the day for me.
I'm on 2. Yep, I'm on 3.
It's good fishing, eh? Man, so my pants are falling down. Holly.
He just slammed it. Came up straight from the log underneath you and slammed
That's
it.
where this guy came from.
Alright, bass number 3, skinny water bass. There you go, bass number 3 for me. Look at the tail on him, that's where the power comes from, eh?
Holy shit, my pants are completely down.
You streaker. Streaker! Rightio guys. Off he goes, nice and calmly into there.
Oh man, for sure.
Bonza. How's this for fishing? The Lunka City paddle tail and the Lunka City. Well, there's more action happening. The Lunka City paddle tail and the Lunka City jig head are already knocked off from the tackle club. Now I'm going to throw the airbag frog and the Damiki weedless hook. Yeah, I'm out along here.
That's what I was doing. Yeah, get in there first.
Oh, ripped it out of his mouth. He's got to go already. Did you see that?
Yeah, man.
Stop stealing my spot. He's sitting just under the surface.
Yep.
He's on. Subsurface. All that subsurface action. Oh, he's loggy.
Oh, yep.
See? I usually never what? What were you saying?
I was saying, I want me to hook up there. Like that, you. Whoa, 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 whoa. You alright, mate?
Yeah, just the log decided I was too fat for it. I won't stand on that anymore. It's not weighted to 120 kilos.
That was a good fish.
Yeah, he looked alright.
It was down strong, he was picking it up.
He was silver. I reckon he was probably bass. Right guys, so the tour guide has done well. We got Tronky in the dark. His first ever Australian bass. Woohoo! Yeah, well done, Tronky. We don't have a sticker to give out today, but we'll get you one.
Yes.
I landed 3 and failed to land a surface. I did have a go on the surface, but it didn't hook up, so we failed there. The master over here landed 5 bass. So 9 bass, I think that's right, if the math's right, but
Yeah,
9 bass. 9 bass. 9 bass and 9 bass. And it was a really good trip. So thanks very much. It was good to meet you, mate.
Pleasure, man.
And we'll be back, or you'll be down and chase cod or trout or
we'll
something.
be chasing something, that's for sure.
Yeah, sounds good. That's always chasing tail. That is foxtail, right?
Yeah, foxtail, mate.
that is the end of this episode. So when we catch you next, we will be, who knows where, we don't know. We're just driving till midnight, going to set up camp and stop there. If you haven't liked, subscribed, shared, please do so. If you don't want to, that's fine. Whatever, just do you. Thanks for being with us. Hope you enjoyed. Catch you later.